Yeah, Gboogie from gboogieamerica again. Um, I forgot. I thought I forgot it was something else scheduled as far as that ebook went. Starting like probably later tonight or tomorrow. For everybody that has the ebook, you're gonna receive like a link um, where I'm gonna like start walking you through some of this stuff step by step, like one item at a time. Where I'll build something from scratch and let everybody watch it go down, and you'll even have access to like the Credit Sesame account and all that, so you can check and you can follow as it go, and you just basically do what I do as I do it, and that'll help at least get you off the ground, because if you can do one, you can do 10 of them. So you know what I'm saying, and we're gonna go through each item in the last ebook and go down through each section, and I'll show you exactly like what I mean, and how these procedures work when things are tricky, and some things you might come across you don't know. So if you actually see me do it, then you'll be able to figure out what options you have based on where you live and what your situation is. So that was, yeah, I forgot about that. I thought that was the end of it, but I realized on my schedule like that was next after we got the 100 copies out. Then go over it all and just send everybody that purchased the ebook a link, and then you could just follow it. It'll be in video form, and then you could just follow me as I go through it step by step every day. This is what you do the first day, this is what you do the second day. Just like we used to do. So we're gonna bring that back, because that's why I said we only had so many ebooks that we were planning on selling, and then after the people that bought them, now that's over, so now we're gonna go through it step by step and line by line, and I'll show you how to implement it wherever you live at. So that way to help you and do you some good stuff like that. So I think that's it. Yeah. After that, then we'll be moving on to a different topic. It'll be back to business credit and stuff like that. But as far as this Scammers Handbook 2 goes, we're gonna go over everything and reiterate how everything works step by step. Show you the do's and don'ts, because some people have a lot of questions, get real nervous about, well, should I use this or should I do it this way? I'm gonna do it the loosest way possible, so I can show you like the mistakes the easy things you can do that you probably being too careful about, where you can actually, you don't have to be that careful in those areas. So that kind of starts like right now. So you don't have to really send an email. We have everybody that purchased the last ebook that was out 3 weeks ago. We have everybody's email, so you just automatically receive a link as the videos are available. So just wanted to give y'all a heads up on that, and that's pretty much it. So enjoy your Sunday.